friends, welcome back to the playful space where we will explore dance and movement one playful step at a time. In today's episode, we're going to learn how to march. So without further ado, hello, my name is Miss Jackie and welcome to Learn Like a Child. For our first exercise, we're going to be practicing where we'll be marching on spot. To begin, heads far away from your shoulders as possible. Think there's a string pulling from the top of your head. Thumbelinas hide behind and fingers close facing forward, hands on your waist. For this one, I like to think of it as icicle toes. So you lift, take a little breath, and now you place it on the floor and lift the other one, freeze for a moment, and down. Now this time, we're going to lift icicle toes. As we change, it's going to be the same amount of pressure. And one, and change, and change, and change, and change, and feet together. For this next part of the exercise, we'll be marching with our arms. So have your arms straight down. Think you have a stripe that's going down the side of your pant leg and stripe on the other side. Now your fingers are closed. Think of it like a little arrow, a point, pointing right down to the floor. Now heads, lift from the top of your head. Again, ears far away from your shoulders and arms straight down. Shoulders back and chin up, but not too far up. Okay? Now we have stretch right in front and one to the back. Stretch so they're opposite and try to keep it the same height as front